Hey guys, in this tutorial I will show you why and how to use a virtual environment. Now the question is, why use a virtual environment? To answer this question, let's have a look at what is a global environment. By default, all packages are stored and retrieved from the global environment. This means all the packages you installed are stored in the global environment. Let's say our global environment have n packages and there is a package X with version 2.0 installed in it. Now consider a scenario where you have two projects, project A and project B. Now say project A requires version 1.0 of package X and project B requires version 2.0 of package X. The problem is that Python cannot differentiate between two versions of a package. We know that in our global environment, X has version 2.0, but project A requires version 1. So in some cases, project A may break. To solve this problem, virtual environments are used. We can create an isolated environment for both of our projects. This means that each project can have its own dependencies regardless of what dependencies every other project has. So we can have two different environments for both project A and B. We can install version 1.0 of X in our first virtual environment, that is for project A, and version 2.0 of X for our second project in other virtual environment, keeping the dependencies isolated from each other. Now, how to use virtual environment? Currently, we are in our global environment. If we run command pip list in Windows or pip3 list in Linux, we can check which packages are currently installed in our global environment. We can see lot of packages are currently installed in our global environment. To create a new virtual environment, use command python-m venv for Windows or python3-m venv for Linux, where env will be the name of our new virtual environment. Press enter. So here you can see our environment is installed. To activate environment in Windows, you can use command env/scripts/activate.bat, where env is the name of the environment we just created, and for Linux, you can use command source env/bin/activate. Press enter. So here you can see that our environment is activated. Now, using pip list, if we check which packages are installed in this environment, you can see only 3 of them are installed. So we are isolated from the global environment. I hope you understood why and how to use virtual environment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.